So we're looking at Circus Act bar 20 to 23. So the right hand plays something in bars 20 to 21, and then the left hand does the same thing in the next 2 bars, but it plays it down an octave. Okay, so the rhythm is going to be 2 woo blue 3 ye ye. Okay, 2 woo blue 3 ye ye. In terms of the notes, thumb on C, this is my middle C here, so it's the C above that. Second finger next door, miss a string, and then third finger on the G. And then you can get your left hand ready as well. Same notes an octave below, C, B flat, and G. I think I said B for this one, it is a B flat, but you'll already have your levers sorted to cover that. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So if I pop the counting in, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And that is mezzo forte, so kind of moderately loud from bar 20 to 23. You then get a different bit, and there's another video for that. And then at bar 28, we have the same thing that we just learnt, so the same as bar 20 to 23, but it's quiet when you get it again. So bars 28 to 31 are the same, but quiet.